Our next set of question is from the page number 40. In this first question, we have to calculate the molecular mass of this following compound. In this, whenever they are asking you to calculate molecular mass, the atomic mass will be given to you. What all atomic mass will be required in this? So these are the atomic mass for the following atoms. So here, hydrogen. So in this there are two atoms of hydrogen present. So 2 into hydrogen. Now at the place of hydrogen we are going to write the atomic mass. So 2 into 1. So 2U. U means unit. So 2 unit is the molecular mass of hydrogen. Now second is oxygen. So in oxygen molecule, how many atoms of oxygen are there? 2. So 2 into O equals to 2 into what we are going to write here? It is atomic mass of oxygen. So that is 16. So this is 32 unit. Similarly for chlorine. So it is chlorine into 2 or 2 into chlorine. 2 atoms of chlorine present into this chlorine molecule. So 2 into 35.5. Chlorine's atomic mass we are taking 35.5. So it is 71 unit. Now till here all the molecules are having same atoms, means 2 Cl atom, 2 oxygen atom, 2 hydrogen atom. Here we are looking into this and we will find that there are two different atoms. One is carbon, one is oxygen. So we will write like this, then 1 atom of carbon and 2 atom of oxygen, because 1 carbon is present into this and 2 oxygen is present in this carbon dioxide. Now at the place of carbon and oxygen we will write their molecular weight. So this is 12 plus 2 into 60. So it is 12 plus 32 and answer is 44 unit. Now next is CH4. So in CH4 1 atom of carbon is present and 4 atoms of hydrogen are present. So 1 into 12 plus 4 into 1. These are atomic mass for carbon and hydrogen. So this is 12 plus 4 equals to 18 unit. This is atomic weight for CH4. The next is C2H6. In this 2 atom of carbon is present and 6 atom of hydrogen is present. So 2 into 12 plus 6 into 1. So it is 24 plus 6 equals to 30. So 30 is molecular weight for C2H6. This is ethane. The next is C2H4. So in this 2 atom of carbon is present and 4 atom of hydrogen is present. So 2 into 12 plus 4 into 1. So it is 24 plus 4 equals to 28 unit is atomic weight for ethene. This is C2H4. Then our next molecule is NH3. So this is ammonia, nitrogen into 1 plus 3 into 1 hydrogen, or we can also write like this, that hydrogen into 3. Anyway, we can write it in this 1 atom of nitrogen and 3 atom of hydrogen is present. So 1 into 14 plus 3 into 1. This is atomic weight for nitrogen and hydrogen. So 14 plus 3 equals to 17 unit is molecular weight for ammonia. Now CH3OH. So in this 1 carbon is present. So 1. Then 3 atoms of hydrogen is present. So hydrogen into 3. Then 1 oxygen is there. So oxygen into 1. Then again 1 hydrogen is there. Either you can add here 4 or you can write it separately, hydrogen into 1. So here carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, again hydrogen. So here we are replacing their atomic weight. So 12 into 1 plus 1 into 3 plus 16 into 1 plus 1 into 1. So 12 plus 3 plus 16 plus 1. So it is going to be 32. So this is 32 molecular weight for CH3OH. This is methanol. This compound's name is methanol. Our next question is calculate formula unit mass. Now what is a formula unit mass? It is just same as how earlier we have find out the molecular mass, but formula unit mass we are finding out for those molecules or those compound whose constituent particles are ions. For example, sodium chloride. So its constituent particles are ion. Sodium ion and chloride ion. They came together and they formed sodium chloride. So this is basically for those compounds who formed from the ions. So the compound which formed via transfer of electron. They have earlier generated ion and then they made a bond via transfer of electron and then they become compound. So we can also say them ionic compound or the compound which formed via transfer of electrons. So for those compounds we are finding formula unit mass. But how we are going to find it? It's the same way how we are finding molecular weight. Let us see for this. So this is ZnO. This is zinc oxide. So in the zinc oxide, how we are finding out the formula unit mass? Zinc, how many zinc are there in this? 1. Plus oxygen. How many oxygen are there? 1. So zinc's atomic mass unit is 65. So 65 into 1 plus oxygen. Oxygen is 16 into 1. So here we are going to calculate 65 plus 16 and our answer is 81. And the answer unit will be U. So this is formula unit mass for zinc oxide. Now next compound is sodium oxide. So in this 2 atoms of sodium are present and 1 atom of oxygen is present. So 2 into sodium is 23 plus 1 into 16. So the answer is 46 plus 16, 62 unit. So 62 formula unit mass is for sodium oxide. Now third is K2CO3. This is potassium and this is carbonate. So this is potassium carbonate. So how many potassium are there in this? 2 potassium. Plus how many carbon is there? 1 carbon. And how many oxygen are there? 3 oxygen. So now we are adding their atomic mass. So 2 into 39 plus 1 into 12 plus 3 into 60. So here 78 plus 12 plus 48. 138 unit. So 138 formula unit mass is for potassium carbonate. So this is how we are finding the process of finding the formula unit mass is exactly equal to how we are finding the molecular mass. Only difference is we are finding out formula unit mass for those compound whose constituent particles are ions. So that is all for today's video. In coming video we are going to solve some of the more question answers. So don't forget to subscribe, learn yourself. I'll see you in next video. Till then, keep learning, keep sharing.